FENECO air source all-in-one heat pump water heater uses Panasonic high-efficiency compressor, electronic expansion valve throttling, 316 stainless steel heat exchanger, microchannel heat exchange, centrifugal fan ultra-quiet design, intelligent defrosting. Safe water and electricity separation. Water outlet temperature can reach 70 degrees Celsius with long-term heat preservation. Large capacity water tank. Compared with ordinary electric water heaters, it saves 80% energy, provides free cooling while making hot water, can be remotely controlled by Wi-Fi, and can be turned on and off at a scheduled time. The integrated heat pump unit can be selected with top or side outlet, fast heating, and easier installation.